Good afternoon, peoples. It's about 4:45 here, just at this 500 plus year old temple here in Phayao, rural Thailand. The name of this place is Wat Pa Daeng Bunnak. Hopefully I've pronounced it right and I haven't offended the Thai people. My pronunciations aren't the best at times, I get a bit tongue-tied, but we do what we can. So Wat Pa Daeng Bunnak. Okay, so I parked the bike out the front. You can drive in here, but I wanted to start out there. Haven't been in this one before. Oh, there's a lake over there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the girlfriend was saying that this one's over 500 years old. So, yeah, as I was saying in a few other vlogs, Chiang Rai and Phayao have a lot of temples. So, oh, I can already see something over there that's going to be really good. Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't know what to expect in this one, but that's part of the journey. Actually, we'll have a look at this one first. Actually, I'll grab this name there for those that read Thai. Okay. Yeah, each day I'm trying to learn Thai. I've been doing that since I've been here. Okay, we'll go for a walk over here. Okay, we've got like a QR code so you can get some info. English, Thai, I think that's Chinese symbols. Sort of reminds me of Jewish synagogues. I know when I lived in Victoria, I lived very close to a synagogue in South Yarra, just on Toorak Road West. Yeah, it's quite a big area, this. Like the girlfriend was saying, oh, it's a bit scary. But she's at home and I've just gone out for a bit of a wander around. You know, trying to familiarise myself with the area. It's actually a big army base not too far as well from here. There's some work going on. You know, have a look at that, like they're cleaning up, making everything beautiful again. Sawadee Krap. Yeah, we went out to the farm today. For those that watch, going to be putting solar panels and a battery there, like, because we're currently going to get like the whole place rewired. You know, why not put solar panels? Like I had solar panels and a Tesla battery in Australia. You know, why not? Thailand's a hot place, plenty of sun. Just currently looking at prices at the moment. I know the one in Australia, I think that was, well over 16,000 Australian. So I come up, there's a monk over there. Really beautiful place, really peaceful. Look at that sun. Yeah, as I was saying, they're doing some work just over here. I know when I was in Cambodia, I noticed a lot of the temples were quite run down. Like I was saying, how the ones in Thailand are always well kept. So you can see all the work being done now. So you won't disturb the workers over there. But yeah, we got some nice Buddha statues there as well. I quite like all the trees around. It really adds to the charm and beauty. Like, I usually like to come and check these places out before I film, but actually I won't film that. They've got a bit of a dog fight going on over there. Actually, there's a fair few dogs over there as well. I think they're going to go join in. Hello, doggy. Yeah, there's a nice path down there we'll go and check out. Probably be doing this video in 2 parts. There's a nice drum. There's a lotus. Hopefully there's no bee in there like the one I saw the other day. I think this is where they probably live. I've got some cactuses there. I should head over to the left, but we'll go for a bit of a trek down that path. I was just looking at, yeah, there's a bloke over there walking his dogs, and there was a young one there, and all the dogs were jumping on him, or her. Oh yeah. Yeah, this forest looks amazing. Like, as I said, the girlfriend says, oh, it's a bit scary. Yeah, you probably wouldn't want to come through here at night time. I think she was saying to me that not many monks live here. So that's pretty interesting. I really like all those trees. Reminds me of Australia, because I used to do a bit of hiking in my younger days. You know, you get on the fitness side of the game. Back then it used to be probably about 8 of us. Like, we used to go out, camp overnight. I think we did a 3-day trip at one time. Like, I've done most of the Hyson Trail as well. Yeah, that's the entrance over there as well.